Hello, this is a quick review of the Brother AX-400 Electric Typewriter. This is a really quality machine available for sale on eBay. Link is in the description of the video. So please check that out there with additional photos. This quick demonstration will show you the quality of this electric typewriter. In really good shape. No major dings or scratches or cracks on the casing anywhere. It works. We'll power it up here in just a minute and show you. A quick review of the features here that are labeled on the top. And you can see an accessory list that's available there. This is a really nice little typewriter for those who might still look for equipment such as this. So with that, let's get started. Power button over here on the side. We'll take the cover off the keyboard. This does have a carrying handle on the back side. And you can see here this very clean keyboard. All keys are in place, all solid. Easy travel. The AX-400 Electric Typewriter. Okay, we'll load up a sheet of paper here. And we'll let it do its demonstration for you. I got to put the lock on here. All right, here we go. So it says for demonstration, press down the code key and then press Alt key while holding code. So we're going to hold code and we press Alt. And there you have it. Good little demonstration. A couple of features here typed out for you to see. One thing I did notice, the word out tape probably needs to be replaced. It obviously had a hard time correcting the misspelling of the word word, but those are readily available. It is an accessory that you can purchase separately. So there you have it. There's a demonstration of the Brother AX-400 Quiet Typewriter. Available for sale on eBay. Link is in the description. Thank you.